Rebound Vizcara. He pass to Castillo. His pass and makadangdang. Oh! Magay. Straight to the hoop. Si Bams. He first pinabitin. Basket is Taginod. No look pass. Oh! What a spectacular pass. Makadangdang no look pass. Ang gandang pasa kay Bergado. Bucket for 2. Idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Apong League para sa laban ng Tuguegarao versus FCA Bagao. And a jump ball goes to Bagao. No look pass inside. Floater. First blood. And Miss Vizcara. He stopped. He passed to number 24. Bergado. He passed to Vizcara. Vizcara to the middle. Pablo pull up jumper. Bucket. Pablo back to Sean. Taginod. He stopped. Pass to sa gilid sa tres. Bang! Asunsyon. Makadangdang. Tumistansya. Here's Castillo. Lost the ball. Puringay. And here's Taginod. He pass. Ball is stolen. Pass break. And here you go. Castillo. Easy 2. Taginod. Sumisigsag. He stop. Hook pass. Magay. Sa gitna. Fast inside. Puringay of the glass. Bucket for 2. Makadangdang. Naagawan. Pass break. And all around Puringay. Easy 2 points. Castillo pass to the middle. To the corner. Sa tres. Bergado. Short. Rebound Pablo. He pass outside. Eksaktong natapikan. 2-on-1. Pinabitin. Naagaw. Baseball pass. Miguel, makadangdang to Miguel, bounce pass, Pablo pinabitin pa, Pablo with the 2 points. Here's Asuncion. Pass to Taginod attacks, loses the ball, makadangdang, no look pass, ang gandang pasa kay Bergado, bucket for 2. Castillo, crossover, iniwan yung Guanda, pinabitin pa, Castillo with the and dribbling the ball, attacks, pass outside. And here you go, Castillo to the hoops. Kinaliwa, bucket for 2. And the rebound, number 9. Long pass. Sakto kay Escobar, kicks out. Wild open, Magay for 3. Short, rebound and a put back the stroke. And here's Castillo. Crossover, nakalusot. I-pass to Pakadangdang, fix. Pakadangdang to number 24, Bergado. Pinabitin. And rebound by Magay. And he's stolen. Here's Castillo. And a pass, love pass in the far of the window. Bucket for 2. And here you go, Escobar. He spins. He attacks to the rim. Short. Battle for the rebound. Goes to number 27. Ball is stolen. And here's Castillo. Binit-bit lays off the window. Bucket for 2. And he's received by Magay. Magay is straight to the hoop. He bumps. He first pinabitin. Basket is Castillo. He crosses the mid lane. He slowly dribbling the ball. He pass to Pablo. Pass to number 14. To the middle. Floater shot. And a bucket is good. At the middle. At the logo. He set the play. Ginugulo ngayon ni Juan. He pass. Pass on the inside. Oh! And there's a whistle. Foul call. Castillo. Dribbling the ball. He goes down. He's at the top. He set the play. Tumuturo. And he drives from the middle. He spins. He fakes. Oh! And a traveling call. Rebound by Narag. And it's Escobar. He's straight to the hoop. Supal pa lang in. For the inbound. He looks for the receiver. And pass to the middle. Narag with the pull-up jumper. Off the mark. And the rebound. Kakadangdang. He pass to Vizcara, bounce pass to the middle, lace, bucket for 2 of the window. The end of, and is stolen by Castillo. Castillo binit-bit, tinaliwa, easy. And the long pass, here's Kawilan. Pass to Taginod, open for 3, bang! Asuncion! And here's Taginod. Hook pass, na Kawilan. Pinasa kay Escobar. Uy, tumalsik. Uy. And here's Taginod. Taginod. Cross pass. Natapikan. Maggay with direct. Oops. Maggay. And Vizcara. Makadangdang. He cross pass. And here's Castillo. Pinabitin. Pinasa. And Baiso palang inabot. And here's Taginod. Taginod. No look pass. Oh! What a spectacle. Maggay. Maggay. Kicks out. Taginod to the drive. Floater shot of the window. Castillo. Pass to number 12. Miguel. He pass to Vergado. Vergado. Di Discarte. Bounce pass. Pinyon. In and out. Rebound. Puringay. Uy. Maggay wide open for 3. Bang! Maggay to the corner. Fires at 3. Too strong. Puringay. Basket and 1. And here's Castillo. Castillo side step. Fires off the window. Castillo. And Asuncion. He pass inside. Kicks out. Taginod. Maggay. Maggay. They discarte. Pass on the inside. He kicks out. Taginod. The drives. The pull-up jumper. Negate. Baseball pass. Stand by Kawilan. Asuncion for 3. Bang! Asuncion. Castillo. Pass to the middle. Pass on the inside. Picks clutch. Pablo off the window. Taginod. Taginod di stop. Hook shot. Hook pass to the corner. Asuncion. Kawilan. Taginod. Another 3. Bang! Nothing but the mid lane. And he pass to Asuncion. To Taginod. To crossover. He pass to Maggay. Maggay attacks. Pinabid. Oh! Grabe. Pikan ni Pablo. Pablo hook pass. 2-on-1. Straight to the hoops. Short. Rebound Pablo. Creating some space. Ay. May foul. Kumamot pa. Backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. Pablo pull up jumper. Bucket. Pablo. And Vizcara. And 20 seconds left on the game clock. Corner pass. Wide open for 3. Makadangdang. One go. Pablo for the rebound. Pass to the middle. Is stolen by Maggay. And here you go. Molina. Easy bucket. And 5 seconds on the game clock. Behind the back. Take over. The long pass at and it's Vergado for 3. Bang! 3 points, Vergado. And he crosses the mid lane. Taginod to Asuncion. Floater shot. Asuncion with Taginod setting the play. Taginod. Pass to the corner. Asuncion again for 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Asuncion. Rebound. And crossover. Makadangdang pull-up jumper. Off the mark. Pablo for the rebound. And fires at 3. Vergado off target. Taginod for setting the play. He pass to Maggay to the corner. Maggay. Pass on the inside. Puringay reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Vizcara. Castillo. Pass inside. Pablo ang gandang dish kay Makadangdang with the finish. 8-point lead. 4 to him to Gegaraw. Hook pass to Asuncion. Taginod. Taginod, single pass hand to Maggay. Pass on the inside, Puringay with the finish. And a pass break here. Castillo, 2-on-3, straight to the hoops. Bucket for 2, Castillo. And here's Castillo. Lost the ball, stolen by Narag. Narag. Pass to the corner. Wild open for 3, Asuncion. Bang! Another 3. 42-43 score. Hook pass, number 12. And it's Escobar to Asuncion, to Narag. Narag, he goes to the corner. And he attacks, he bumps, he spins. And ball stolen, ball deflected. Bounce pass. Satres, no good. Rebound. Oops, Vergado, reverse layup. Bucket for 2. This is the mid lane, Vizcara. He pass to Miguel. He launch on 3 of the target. Rebound Vergado. No look pass on the inside. Castillo, he attacks. Pinabitan, may foul. Anspo. Miguel for the inbound. A pass to number 3. Vizcara. Stolen. And here's Asuncion. Pinasa. Ang gandang pasa. In and out and in. Narag. And here's Molina. He stops. Pass to Asuncion. Fix. Stops. Pass on the inside. Escobar. Molina for 3. Short. And na-recover. Molina. Supalpal. Recovered. Baget for 2. He pass. Bergado. Drives. Pinabitin off the window. Bergad. And here you go. Castillo fix. Pumps. Fires. Basket and 1. Setting the play. He drives. Kicks out. For 3. Asuncion won't go. Rebound and a pass break. Castillo. Sumigway. Spins. Fix. Pump. Supalpal lang inabot. And a pass break. Loses the ball. Castillo. Castillo to Bergado. Bergado. He drives. He stops. And picks. No look pass. And this Castillo drives. Pump in the inside. Supalpal. 8-point lead to Gegarao. Ball possession for Bagao. Vizcara. He set the play. He stopped. Fires at 3. Bang! And down to 5-point lead. Molina. Behind the back 3 ball. Almost lost the ball. Recover. Escobar. Bounce pass. Floater. Balisi with the finish. And he pass. Taginod. Dumistansya. Umatake. Hook pass on the inside. So palpal ang inabot. And the long pass. And this Bergado. Stop. Launch on 3 of the target. Rebound by Taginod. Is pass to Porigay. Straight to the hoops. No good. Rebound Vizcara. He pass to Castillo. His pass and makadangdang. Oh! Castillo. His pass and makadangdang. Oh! And here you go. Pass on the reverse. So palpal. Traveli. And here's Vizcara. He pass to Bergado to Makadangdang. Castillo for 3. In and out. Rebound. Put back. Wala pa rin. Tips in. Wala pa rin. Bergado. Corner pass. Fix. Vizcara to drive. Supalpal. Recover by Castillo. Bumalik. Fix. Oh, Supalpal. Walang Kicks out. Bergado for 3. Off the mark. Battle for the rebound. Here's Magay. Magay. Natapikan. Nagkatapikan. Spins. Narag. Supalpal. Black party. Pumasok sana. No basket. And here's number 1. Binabitin. Oh! Up and other lace. And here you go. Setting the play. Between the legs. Aguinod. Dinner dyan ng dalawa. And here's Puringay. Magay corner pass. Open for 3. Off the mark. Magay for the rebound. Oh, straight to the hoops. No good. Tips in. Pass break. And there's Castillo. Binitbit. Backet for 2. Castillo. And setting the play between the legs. Slowly dribbling the ball. He pass to the corner. He fires at 3. Short. Makadangdang. Bergado. Pass to Castillo. Vizcara bounce pass on the inside. Fires Pablo of the window. Guy, he drives to the hoops. Packet for 2. And his crossover. He pass to Chatres. Off the mark. And here you go. Taginod. Taginod crossover between the legs. Taginod. Pass to Magay. Magay, he attacks. Filipino step. Packet for 2. Pero up by 2. And here you go. He lost. He's stolen. Here's Pablo. The long pass. And Castillo to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And here's Taginod. Stepping back. Pass on the inside. Libre. Oh! Supalpal. Na-recover. Put back. Tawid. Tawid. Dribbling the ball. Taginod. Pass to the middle. Kawilan. Asuncion. Taginod for 3. Short. And rebound pass break. And Castillo. Easy bucket Castillo. Magay. Crossover Magay. Pass. Oh, Magay. What a good. Cara. Ipaso the middle. Oops. Foul. Grabe. Nabagsak si Idol. And here you go. Magay. Pass to Taginod. Taginod. Is to Magay. Magay. To behind the back dribble. Crossover. Stepping back. Sa tres. Short. And rebound. Vizcara. Is Pablo. Pablo to the hoops. My foul. And 2 minutes 17 seconds for the tie. In one go. Hoop. Taginod with the rebound. And Taginod sharing the play between the legs. He sets, creates space, pull up jumper, bucket, Taginod. And here's Castillo picks. Castillo sa gitna. Castillo, he attacks. Filipino step off the wicket. Taginod. And here's pinag-isagit na po rin guy. Nilinis sa loob. Oy. And for the inbound. And here's Bergado. Ipass to Castillo. Castillo, he attacks to the middle. Nakalusot. Bucket is good. And for the backdoor inbound, looking for the receiver. And here you go. Natapikan. For the inbound, Magay. Taginod. Far sa 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Vizcara. Pass to Castillo. Vizcara. I-pass on the inside. Bergado. The first free throw is a basket. The second throw, basket. Looking for the receiver. Sa gitna, Kawilan. Fix. Sa tres. Short. Rebound, Pablo. Baseball pass. Basket.
And of the game, and the winner
goes to Bagga. Congrats.